In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share an Airtable base. Whether you're looking to share your Airtable with others or want to integrate it into your website, you'll find this guide straightforward and easy to follow. Let's start at the Airtable homepage. This is essentially your command center where all your projects, which are called bases, are organized. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with the layout here, so you can navigate easily in the future. Now, speaking of bases, that's our next stop. You need to click on the specific base that you wish to share. Bases in Airtable are similar to spreadsheets, but offer more powerful functionalities, allowing you to organize complex data efficiently. Selecting your desired base will open up all of the tables and data contained within, providing a comprehensive view of everything you've worked on. Once inside the base, direct your attention to the right-hand side of your screen where you will see the Share button. This button is your gateway to making your base available to a wider audience. Click on it, and a variety of sharing options will pop up. These options are designed to cater to different user needs, offering flexibility depending on how you would like to share your data. However, for our purposes today, we're going to focus on the Share Publicly option. Choosing to share your base publicly is a crucial step because it allows your Airtable data to be accessible to anyone with the link. This means you can seamlessly share it with colleagues, friends, or online communities without any hassle. Once you click on Share Publicly, you'll be presented with an option that says Enable Shared Base Link Read Only. This is an important feature because it ensures your base is shared in a way that prevents others from modifying it, keeping your data intact while still providing others with the access they need to view it. And there you have it. Your Airtable is now ready to be shared with the world. With the shared base link enabled, you can take this link and embed it within an iframe or any other sharing structure you prefer. Whether you're showcasing it on a personal website or integrating it into a company intranet, this method provides an elegant solution to sharing your hard work. Thank you for joining us today as we outlined how to share an Airtable base quickly and effectively. By the end of this session, you should feel confident about sharing your Airtable with wider audiences while maintaining the security and integrity of your data. Happy sharing!